Hello, I want to do a full review on the Ikea Vaxer system, talking through all the pieces of equipment and what they can be used for. I do recommend the LED light and the nursery box, but I do not use the cultivation insert as I use the two-tier creeder system instead, and I will be doing a separate video on that. To get started, you'll need some seeds. You don't have to use Ikea's either, and you'll also need some rock wool cubes. Again, you don't have to use Ikea's. So simply soak the rock wool in water and place in the nursery box. And so at this point you can simply add seeds directly and place on the lid. It's at this point Ikea says put the nursery box in sunlight. But I actually do a slight variance on that, is I actually attach the nursery box base to the LED light, and I put the tray and float directly into the light, and I find that I get a lot stronger growth from using this method. Once your seed has developed 2 strong leaves, it's ready to be transferred into one of the cultivation units. Now, it's really important that you take your seeds out quite early and make sure they don't get too leggy or they develop problems at a later stage. Once you've decided what grow medium you want to use, I actually don't use the pumice stones anymore because I find the clay pebbles a lot easier to reuse. So you simply place your seedling, cover with some more pebbles, and you place it in your cultivation unit. As easy as that. When you do fill the cultivation unit, you'll see there's a little dial here that shows you how much water to put in. Before you add the water, it's vital that you add the nutrients. The label says 1 litre does 125 litres, so I believe that's 12.5 millilitres per litre of water. I did measure the unit and it holds 3 litres, so that's 37.5 millilitres required per growing unit. You will have to check this once a fortnight, so if you do add an additional litre, you're going to need to add another 12 ml of the nutrients. If you do want to try your hand at doing microgreens, you'll just need the nursery box base with the LED light and the fixture. I'm also going to do a selection of pictures showing you what I've grown in the past using these systems.